Former Ghadc CM Dipul Marak, former MDC senior advocates and retired bureaucrats, on Monday joins BJP. They were formally welcomed to the party by National Secretary Rituraj Sinha in the presence of National Vice President in charge Meghalaya Chuba Au, National Executive Member and Party MLA A.L. Hek and State President Ernest Maury at a function held in the party office. Besides former Ghadc CM, the others who joined the Saffron Party include former MDC S.K. Sangma and senior advocate V.G.K. Ghadc.
That Meghalaya has tried many options. It is now time for Meghalaya to consider a double engine government, a government of BJP in center with a government of BJP in the state of Meghalaya.
In the FIFA Football World